Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP Envy 5660 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP Envy 5660 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP Envy 5660E, all-in-one printer software and drivers. Open that up. And now you want to scroll down here and locate the HP Envy 5660 all-in-one printer series full feature software and drivers. Select the download button for that. And then once it's finished downloading to your computer, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting those files. And it should be a verified publisher. It should say HP Inc. right here. Go ahead and select yes, and then select continue, and then follow through the on-screen instructions of configuring your printer for your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.